Hello dear students, in this module we will learn about Python programming language and the interface of Python. Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Python was first created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 at the National Research Institute for Mathematics, Netherlands. It is presently owned by Python Software Foundation. Python is a case-sensitive programming language. It can be installed directly from website python.org. Python is based on or influenced with two programming language, ABC language and Modular 3. Python is a case-sensitive programming language. It means small case characters and capital case characters are treated differently. There are some features of Python which are Python is a platform-independent programming language. It means it can run on any platform like Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac. Python is compact and very easy to use object-oriented language with very simple syntax rules. It is free and open source. Python is high-level language similar to English language. It is portable, fewer lines of code than other programming language. It is interpreted language and executes the code line by line at a time. It can be downloaded from internet without any payment and source code is also available with this programming, so it is free and open source programming language. You can install Python directly from website www.python.org. And the Python version you have to use in your syllabus 3 or above. There are some other interfaces through which we can work with Python. These are Anaconda Distributor, PyCharm, Spider, Canopy, Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, Sublime Text, PyDroid 3 mobile interface. So it can be easily run on mobile also. There are two modes in Python, interactive mode. An interactive mode is a command line shell which gives immediate result for each statement. As you run this statement on Python shell, it immediates response. As you can see that 3 greater than symbol or 3 arrows is called Python shell, and here I am writing statement print 3 into 4, it will give the result 12. So it is called interactive mode. It gives response immediate. When I use the statement welcome multiplied by 3, it replicates my string 3 times. So in the image you can see the interface, the 3 arrows represents that we are in interactive mode. So it gives the response immediate as you press the enter key. The second mode is script mode. In script mode you will write a script or source code, then run it. A script is a line of Python code. The script is saved with .py extension. As you can see in the image 1, for this open Python shell window, click on File, go to New File, write your Python program in the window, save your program with .py extension and run your file using F5 key. So in this image 1, my file name is testing.py and the source code is a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to a plus b and print c. As this script is saved and run, it will give me the result 30 as given in image 2. When you want to receive input from user, you have to use input function, and if you want to display some result on your screen, then you can use print function. So Python provides input and output function for receive the inputs and display the result on the screen. For example, nm equal to input enter your name. Here nm is a variable and I want to receive input from user with the message enter your name and display the result using print hello, the name in the variable and the welcome. So my result is hello, the name is Amit, so hello Amit, welcome. Comments are the non-executable statements which enhances the readability to the programmer. Comments are of two types, single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line comment starts with hash symbol as you can see, and the multi-line commands start with triple quotes and close with triple quotes. So these commands are used only for readable purposes, which is used to enhance the readability to the programmer. Let's see the interface of Python by doing some practical. If you installed your Python setup in your computer, So just open this ideally for interactive development learning environment. Just click on it. As you can see, the cursor is blinking here. So this is your interactive mode. Whatever you are typing here, it will immediate response. So it is interactive mode. For example, I used a statement, or write a statement, print welcome in Python. This is my string. As I press the enter key, it immediately gives the response. So in the same manner, you can run different types of statements here. 4 multiplied by 5, so it will gives the result 20. 5 plus 10, 15. 10 division 3, it will divide 10 by 3. 10 quotient 3, when you divide 10 with 3, it will gives you the quotient and it will gives you the remainder value. So this is called interactive mode. Here is my string welcome, and when I multiply this string with 3, it will replicate my string 3 times. If you want to change font style, font color, then click on option menu. It will open a dialog box, and from here you can select the font size, font style, and font color, background color, and anything whatever you want to apply on this interface. So just select the styles and click on apply and OK. So you can change the font style, font color, and the background color of this interface. Now let's see how we can work with script mode. For this, click on file, go to new file, or control N you can use. So this is my window. Here I am writing the source code nm, my variable name, equal assignment operator, and using input function I want to receive the input from user. So the message is enter your name. This is the message I want to display at the time of execution of program, and it will print the statement hello and the value which will store in variable nm and welcome. So these two statements I am using here in this script mode, and when I used F5, it will ask to save your file first, then immediate run using F5. So I will save this file on desktop, and the name I am giving here module 1 save. Yes, the file is saved now with module1.py, and it will execute now. Enter your name. My name is Ashish, so it will gives the result hello Ashish, welcome. I am again doing some changes in this statement. For example, if I want to give a comment here using hash symbol, so this is my command, and as you know, hash symbol is used to display a command, but it is only for single line. So it is called single line command, and this command is not executed. It is only for readable purpose. So you can apply the command. Enter your name, enter here Amit, so it will gives me the result hello Amit, welcome. As you can see, there is no space between enter your name message and the name Amit. So for formatting purpose, we can do some changes here. Using /t is called escape sequences, and it is used for horizontal space. As you can see now that there is a space between enter your name and the name I am entering here Lalit, so it will gives me the same result hello, the name, and welcome. Using exit function, you can close your Python ideally. So just try these interactive and script mode. Thank you.